In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3V, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then hit All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, select Add Password over here and input all of those informations. At the top, you can pick any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!